What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing today? Right now it's about 8:12. Got ready to vlog and I was uploading, and game's still going. About 3 hours left, so it's going now. At least it's good. Right now we're heading to Rochester for my brother's meeting. Got 4 cars. Got Jacob, Zach, Mom, and Dad. 4 car, baby. Taking this car. We're gonna have a quick trip or the bank. We don't know. Well, after all, taking like 5 minutes to park and took forever. So, well, you know, we're finally hitting Mid-6. I'm in the ramp right now, and yeah, and snowing, boys. There's snow, boys. I hear a car. Maybe. Just got done with the game now.
Who won that game between Goodhue and Fillmore Central?
Goodhue. They lost big on that, but yeah. Now we're heading home. Heading to work right now. Yep. Heading to work. 48. Let's go. No, you can't go outside. You can't! No! Go get the ball! I was trying to escape, but yeah, not letting her. No. Right now we're just got done with work, about 9 o'clock, and we heard something weird from the vlog while I'm walking out.
Very weird.
Walking out the door.
So then you go that way, and you check if there's somebody, and I'll look into the deli and check everything.
Checking. Anyone's here. I heard something weird. Like on the when we were coming to. It's 4-0 yet. What?
Can you give me a plastic bag, please, over there?
Yeah. Alright, it's clear. Just got done with work, but right now I'm from second wrestling match. Right now, alright guys, it's currently the next morning. It's too lazy as fuck to end the vlog last night, well, at 1:30 in the morning. But, I would be next morning because I did not go to sleep till 1:30. But recap the day, had played like 2 wrestling matches. The second one, Kevin Owens just fucking bitched out. I would have won. I would beat Kevin Owens. Shout out Kevin Owens. I would be on 2K17. Boy. That's one of my second match. But you decided to do a fucking steel chair. Haha, funny. Actually, no, he didn't. Actually, I was like, fuck you. You're gonna hit this? I'm hitting you with this. I don't even know what I hit him with. I think I hit him with a bit, but I'm not sure. But I had like 2 dudes on 1. And then Zara's had 0 times. But you guys did enjoy it. I appreciate it. Big snap button. Subscribe my channel. And we'll see you guys next time.